Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Okta and PKCE in Android, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Okta and PKCE in Android, start by setting up your Okta account. Log in to your Okta dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section. Click on Add Application. Select Native as the platform for your application. Give your application a name for easy identification. Under Sign in Redirect URIs, enter your redirect URI. Make sure to include your package name in the URI. Click on Done to save your application settings. Next, download the Okta Android SDK. Add the SDK to your project by modifying your build.gradle file. Include the necessary dependencies for Okta and PKCE. Once the SDK is integrated, create a new activity for login. Initialize the Okta client in your activity using your client ID and redirect URI. Set up the authorization request using the PKCE flow. Generate a code verifier and challenge for added security. Build the authorization URL using your Okta domain, client ID, code challenge, and redirect URI. Start the authorization flow by launching the intent to the browser with the authorization URL. Handle the redirect back to your app using an intent filter in your manifest file. Parse the response to get the authorization code. Exchange the authorization code for tokens from Okta using a network request. Store the access and refresh tokens securely. Implement token expiration handling in your application. Use the access token to make authorized API calls on behalf of the user. Log the user out by clearing stored tokens when necessary. Test your implementation thoroughly to ensure a smooth user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.